Prynawn da pawb. Good afternoon everybody. Hi, my name's Hazel Wordsworth. I'm the Director of Initial Teacher Education at Bangor University. Basically what that means is when you come to Bangor University to study to be a teacher, I oversee all the programmes. I make sure that they're great quality and you have fantastic experiences both in the university and when you're in your placement school. I'm a primary school teacher by background. I taught for 15 years in a primary school. I really enjoyed working with all the children, but I particularly enjoyed early years and used to work in an early years setting in Saltney, which I loved. One of the best things about working with students is seeing students flourish and grow and enjoy loving teaching as much as I used to when I was in the classroom. Since then, I've worked as an advisory teacher for the local education authority and done training for teachers and classroom assistants and staff. I came to the university 10 years ago to work on the teacher education and early childhood courses, and I still love what I do. I love lecturing, and if you come to the university and you're studying early years, you'll come and join me for lectures on early childhood development and on children's literacy and language. One of the great things about studying in Bangor is the fantastic countryside, and that's one of my favourite things to do. I love being out in the wonderful countryside. I enjoy walking and climbing in the mountains and enjoying being in the outside space. There's loads of amazing places to go all across North Wales, and you can enjoy seeing those when you come over. It'd be great to see you here in Bangor University. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all. It's got a great, friendly, family feel. It's a little bit like home from home. All the staff are great, we all get to know you personally, and I really think you'll have a fantastic time here. So when you start your course in September, come over and say hello to me. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all. Nos da. Good night.